Hello friends, welcome back. So in this video, I'll be explaining about solar irrigation working model in a step-by-step manner. This working model completely runs on the renewable solar energy, which is more eco-friendly, cost-effective, and ideal for rural agriculture, where we can demonstrate easily the solar power which supports the sustainable farming. So if you can see here, right? So in this solar irrigation working model, the main ingredient of this working model is solar panels. This solar panel captures the sunlight and converts into electrical energy using the photovoltaic effect. Once this solar panel is start generating electricity, we are going to supply it to the DC water pump. We have kept the water pump inside this well. When the pump is powered up, what happens is the pump is start working and pump is going to lift the water through this delivery pipe and push it towards overhead storage tank, which is placed at the elevated height at the agricultural field. Once this overhead storage tank is full, we will be watering the agricultural field using this overhead tank. This overhead tank concept is purely a gravity based, and we can use different concepts of watering the agricultural field, like we can adopt drip irrigations as well, just to safeguard the water as well.